Welcome back, thank you for joining me. And today in repair my Volvo V50. Completely random, when I did the oil change I noticed a problem, and the problem is the PCV hose that runs from top of the valve cover to the PCV box was bad. I will need two of these new clamps. You can see the size for reference. And obviously you'll need the new PCV hose made in Sweden. Let me show you the location. So this is the PCV hose that runs from the top valve cover right here. And when I did the oil change, I noticed it was broken. It was completely brittle and plastic feeling to it. This is the new part. You can see the part number. There is an alternative part number for this, just in case you can't find. The new hose is really made of thick rubber, and it's really soft, so hopefully it will last longer than the original factory installed one. Installation is pretty simple, I would say, and the clamps should fit just fine here. To replace it, we'll need to remove the intake pipe and the decorative cover for the valve cover, and it's located over there where the oil filter is. 10mm socket. The intake pipe is held by two brackets, one on top, one on the side. On the side it's really hard to get to it, so be careful. 7mm socket to undo both clamps. A few Torx 25. Now be careful on the intake pipe, because there is another bracket that holds it, so you don't want to bend the pipe too much, and I actually bent it a little bit more than I should have. Next is to remove those intake covers for the air filter box. There is two 8mm bolts, and then you just want to remove those pipes out of the way. Unclip it from here, twist it against the counterclockwise. Detach this plastic piece from the box. And now we can see way over there. This is how you want to check. When you do your oil change, you can see it's broken in half. So probably for quite a long time, because we can see some oil vapor which is all around it. And it was super easy to slide it off. It just came loose, just like that. And we can see all the dust and the oil residue. Pull it from up top and just look how brittle it is. It just comes in pieces. Be careful not to drop any pieces into the valve cover. Let's take a closer look to compare. And we can see that this rubber became really stiff and brittle, and this is where the problem is. As you can see, it just fallen apart. Carefully pry out the old clamp, definitely factory one, and the last piece. get everything in position and tighten the clamp, which I did off camera here. Now at the bottom there is no room, so you gotta take the oil filter out with the cover. It's a 36mm socket with some extension and flex connection. Obviously I'm gonna reuse the oil filter. There is no need to change it at this point. Here it comes. And now there is much more room. I managed to tighten the clamp. I didn't clean anything there. Everything is in position. I reinstalled the oil filter, tighten it up. Reinstall the cover and the intake pipe. That's pretty much it. Pretty simple repair. Make sure to check yours on those 5-cylinder engines to make sure you are good to go. Also to note, there was no check engine, there is no any other symptoms related to this problem. So something that I completely randomly found out. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and there is more to come. Thank you, bye bye.